Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into an intriguing topic that revolves around personal growth and self-awareness. By the age of 27, we reach a significant milestone in our lives, where we've had the opportunity to experience various aspects of adulthood and gain valuable insights. In this video, we'll explore the key realizations that individuals typically come to by this age, ranging from personal responsibility and independence to career direction and emotional maturity. So, whether you're approaching 27, have already surpassed it, or are simply curious about what lies ahead, join me as we uncover the fascinating realizations one should reach by this transformative age. By age 27, you should be old enough to realize a variety of things. Here are some common realizations that individuals may have reached by this age. 1. Personal responsibility. You should understand that you are responsible for your actions and the consequences they bring. This includes taking ownership of your decisions, learning from mistakes, and striving for personal growth. 2. Independence. By now, you should have developed a sense of independence and be capable of managing your own life. This may involve living on your own, handling financial responsibilities, and making important life decisions. 3. Career direction. It's important to have a clearer sense of your career goals and aspirations. You may have gained work experience, identified your strengths and interests, and set targets for professional development. 4. Self-identity. By 27, you should have a better understanding of your own values, beliefs, and identity. This self-awareness helps shape your relationships, goals, and overall sense of purpose. 5. Emotional maturity. You should have developed a certain level of emotional maturity, including the ability to handle stress, communicate effectively, and manage conflicts in a healthier way. 6. Priorities. By now, you should have a good sense of your priorities in life. This may include defining what truly matters to you, such as personal relationships, career advancement, personal growth, or health and well-being. 7. Financial literacy. Understanding basic financial concepts, such as budgeting, saving, and investing, becomes increasingly important as you enter adulthood. By 27, you should have a basic grasp of managing your finances. 8. Health and self-care. Realizing the importance of taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial. By this age, you should be conscious of healthy habits, exercise regularly, and prioritize self-care routines. 9. Life is a journey. You may have come to realize that life is a continuous journey filled with ups and downs. Embracing the process of learning, growth, and adapting to change becomes vital for personal development and resilience. Life's is 100% better when no one knows anything about you. You're at peace with yourself when you mind your own business. You shouldn't take advice from people who are not where you want to be in life. Life doesn't wait for you to be okay. Get up every day and keep pushing through. Never force anyone to choose you. You'll learn the art to spend time alone. Master your emotions. A calm mind can handle any situation. To avoid disappointment, you need to take people for who they're not for what you want them to be. Everyone will show you who they're, just give them time. Ensure you take good care of yourself. If anything happens to you, the world will move on. Nobody cares. Work hard to get better every day. If you don't work to build your own dream, someone will hire you and give you a purpose. Free yourself from the society's advice. Most of them have no idea of what they're doing. You need to be smart enough to create your opportunities. Don't wait for them to come to you. As we conclude this video, it's clear that the age of 27 marks a significant point in our personal development and understanding of the world around us. We've discussed the importance of personal responsibility, independence, and career direction, as well as the significance of self-identity, emotional maturity, and setting priorities. Remember, these realizations are not set in stone and can vary from person to person, but they provide a general framework for self-reflection and growth. Whether you're approaching 27 or looking back on this age, embracing these realizations can help guide you on your journey towards a fulfilling and purposeful life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and until next time, keep exploring, learning, and realizing your true potential.